think he's looking better. At least his eyes are blinking. That's something anyway. I have a feeling he's going to be ready to take off in a second. I can't tell if he broke his leg. I hope not. It doesn't look too good. See his leg? It's kind of stretched out there. Yep. I don't know. We're going to keep an eye on him. Try to keep the cats away. Poor little nuthatch. Hits the window and turns into a cuckoo bird. I think he's blinking his eyes now. We'll keep you posted. We'll keep you posted. I see him blinking. He's a blinking. He is blinking, but that's about all.